Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to post a job on GTA Online. And here's a quick note at first. To post a job, you must be the one to start it. So all you have to do is just open your start menu facing the escape button. And after the start menu pops up, go on the option online and click it. As you can click it, you can see at the first the option jobs. So just click on it and go for the option play job. And after that, go on the option Rockstar Creative and just select any of the job you want to start and hit enter. And it asks you whether you are sure you want to start this job or not. And if you are sure, just hit enter. And so guys, that's how you post a job on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.